Tonight, the Texas coast is preparing for the possibility of a hurricane this weekend. Right now, Tropical Storm Hanna is strengthening as it heads toward the lower Texas Gulf Coast. Hurricane warnings are in effect right now, but the biggest potential impact is probably flash flooding. People spent much of the day, you see here, filling and placing sandbags. This is in Edinburgh, which is right near McAllen. I want to bring in meteorologist Jeff Ray, who is in for Scott Padgett tonight. Jeff, you're tracking the progress of the storm. Tell us what you know as of right now.
Well, it's certainly going to strengthen overnight, Doug, and through the morning tomorrow as it approaches the Texas coastline. Here's a look at it now. You can see it's spinning in the Gulf. It's just offshore by about 160 miles from Corpus Christi, moving to the west at 10 miles an hour. Now, right now, it's packing 50-mile-per-hour winds, but it should be packing hurricane-force winds by the time it comes on shore. They have hurricane warnings out from about Fulton all the way down to Port Mansfield. These, by the way, are the first hurricane warnings on the Texas coast in 3 years since Hurricane Harvey hit. There it is, 165 miles east-southeast of Corpus Christi, and the forecast track takes it right into the coastline by the time we get to midday into the afternoon. It's going to be a rough afternoon on the barrier islands and then across the southern tip of Texas, as this will pack strong winds, have a 2 to 4 foot storm surge, and when it's all said and done with, maybe even bring in as much as a foot of rain. Hurricane force winds, heavy rains, that's a bad day on the Texas coastline.